In this video, I will show you how to download 7-zip. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. 7-zip is a free software which allows you to unzip and rezip files, and it provides a really good compression ratio that is about 2 to 10% better than the ratio provided by other tools like, for example, PKZip and WinZip. Now, to get started, all you want to do is open up an internet browser and come across to the official website, which is 7-zip.org. From here, you're going to see the download link at the top of the page. If you don't, come to the menu on the left-hand side, click on download, and that's going to take you to a page like this. Now, from here, the most recent version is going to be at the very top of the page, but you can see previous versions as well by just scrolling down on this page. Most PCs now are x64. There's only a few which are 32-bit, so the one you're going to want to look at is the .exe, this top one here, so just click onto the download link. Now what it's going to do is start downloading this onto your PC. Once it's done, give it a click, and that's going to open up the installation wizard, and all you need to do now is run through the steps, so click install, click close, and 7-zip should now be installed, good to go. So that is how to download 7-zip. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.